In this video, I want to talk about pivot tables. I have this table, it has a lot of data, so sales data from many different countries. Suppose I need the following information. I need the sales data for the entire year for Canada for 2013 and sales data for the entire year for Mexico. As you can imagine, this will require a lot of calculations, a lot of formulas, and a lot of table formatting so that we can summarize into a small table. Fortunately, Excel provides a powerful feature called pivot table. This feature would do all this work for us within seconds, and it's really easy to use. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to select these columns. So I selected all the columns, and then I go into Insert, Pivot Table, Table and Range. So it picked up the address of these columns, and I want the result to be in a new worksheet. And I'm going to click on OK. So this is my pivot table. Now I have to build my pivot table, so I have to add different fields that are relevant for my work. So I want information for by the country, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on country. Note that it has selected all the countries here. Then what I want to do is I want to find out the sales, right? So I'm going to click on sales. So I'm going to go back here. And I also have to do this by the years, right? Here's the year. Now, so it's Canada 2013, 2014, France 2013, 2014. So I'm just going to, if you go down here, this tells me the order that the data will be, the labels will be. So I want them sorted by year. So I move the year, drag this year field up above the country. So now everything is sorted by 2013 and then by 2014. So, and here I have the sales data. What I can also do is I can push this into columns like this. So what this will do is now I have Canada and then I have the sales data side by side, right? What I can also do is I can add profit, right? So I can add profit. So for the profit, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring the year back down here. And so the sum of sales and the sum of profit, right? So I can keep on adding information like this, units sold, discount band, and so on. All information that I have here, I can just play around with it. It's as simple as clicking the data. Now I can also do simple calculations on top. So I want to find out, okay, what percentage of the sales is the profit? So it's equals to, let's say this divided by this number, enter. And then I'm just going to make it a percentage here. And then I'm just going to drag it down all the way here. So the profit margin, regardless of the geography, is 16%, right? Exactly 16%. That's what the company is charging. So these are the kind of calculations you can do in the pivot table. So this is a very simple example, but whenever you have a lot of data, a lot of information, complicated information, and you want to extract something very specific, something really interesting, some summarized information, think about pivot table. It's very easy to use. You select your data and you click on insert pivot table, and then you can go from there. I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next video.